Today, I am going to show you how to replace or upgrade the RAM in your laptop. Be sure to wear an anti-static strap, otherwise you can damage the components. Remove the battery from your machine. Locate the back panel of your laptop, and unscrew it. Pull the levers away from each other, which can be located at either side of the RAM stick. The RAM stick should pop up, as shown to the left. Repeat steps 3 and 4 if there is a second stick. Now you have removed the old RAM, you are ready to install the new memory. In this case we have some Samsung 2GB DDR2 RAM. Now push the new RAM sticks in at an angle, as shown to the left. Next, push down the memory so that it lies flat with the laptop. You should hear a click when they are in place. Now that the RAM has been seated in the machine, screw the back panel on, and put the battery back in. And that's it, you have installed new RAM into your laptop. If this video was helpful, then like the video and subscribe. And why not follow us on our other social media sites?